It's the 4-5, it's the 4-5, and we keeping it live. It's the 4-5, it's the 4-5, it's the 4-5, and we keeping it live. It's the 4-5, 4-5, 4-5, and we keeping it live. It's the 4-5, 4-5, 4-5.
Bet you didn't know this OG from these no streets. I had it very long time before, like a dream that you couldn't ignore. Waking up praying to the Lord. I cling on my power, I cling on my style, busting everybody, making them go wow. Like the strip, money burning, bitches concerning, haters be busting, gunshots in the air like who cares. I still getting my papers here.
Do my thing, man, chicken need to check it. Young on the mic, yeah, he about to wreck it. Swag to the left, to the right, then swing it. Ladies on the floor, they's about to get naked. Fellas in the back, tip it up, get it. And drop it down low to the flow, goddamn. The way you do right throw sugar right candy. Hands on my thing and your man can't stand it.
Folks underground, from the zone.
Let it fly, let it fly, let it go.
From the soul, baby.
My soul is gonna fly.
From the soul.
My soul is burning to let my bones rise.
You know me, I fiend for the goal, get a dream just like a tiger who thrills for the kill. Gotta get that me, I'm like an energy, never empty. Gotta keep on going. When I'm on the dance floor, throwing down some light show. Gotta win some pizza, gotta get them hoes. I'm like a Luke Dodo on the dance floor. Got a lot of girls jumping the beat and for my dojo. DDK is what you call me.
You like my fantasies, become reality when I am holding your hand.
When I'm holding your hand.
You're surrounding me, makes me feel so complete when I am holding your hand.
When I'm holding your hand. I never
What you think? Blazing the bud through the rain, taking puffs of nicotine, getting buzzed from that drink. It was rough as a teen, though I'm much bigger now. I pour liquor out while I'm trying to figure out, though I don't ever doubt. Nothing but love for my queen, nothing above Steven Zane. They my blood, they supreme, and I feel veins pain. The brother of Supreme, like Pac said, keep your head up.
No city limit, it's where you gotta go. This a young drop blaze, calling TV up for show. Working on a project, repping from my closet. Passing you the mic, I'ma show you how to rock this. Money extra lean, need more green in my pocket. Wanna be like me, you can go ahead and jock it. Bet you can't believe this a #1 stunner. Can't have my spot, use a second runner up, yeah.
Steady be right.
Shawty looking fine, flossing while I'm staying on my grind. You must be out your mind, thinking that you wanna get down tonight. You better best believe there ain't nobody else who compares to me. Baby, I get down to my knees and I pop with it. So everybody get a pop this season. Come on.
Amped up like the condensed mic that I'm rhyming with an open circuit, cause my power's strong. High voltage generated through the beat, release the speech, striking like lightning, synapses fire real, my intent to reach. Turn my note velocity, I'm tossing these rhymes at light speed. No one's like me, but master stereo is what I'm igniting. So exciting and blinding, smashing atoms divided, releasing photons through protons and neutrons colliding.
Times get tough with this minimal pay. When shit gets rough, resort to criminal ways. Wish I go back in the days like it was pivotal. Hey, got my eyes watery cause my life bothers me. Still I gotta try to live up to my expectations. With the checks I'm making, for all my debts I'm paying. Fuck with me, it could be your fucking neck I'm breaking. Out of desperation, I'm praying for less frustration. Everyday complication, got my stress that I'm facing. Weed has its place and cigarettes I'm blazing. Soon as I left the womb, it seems my death is soon. With every breath I assume I can accept my doom.
Yeah, where I'm from is where history begun. Back without killers, gangsters and drug dealers. Kept the hella tight with one another. Ain't no fun cause the people weren't punks. Selling shit straight out the trunk. No belly packing gun, money making cause the pussy was fun. I'm talking 86 to 88. Fresno was the place, Kingswood's where I stayed. My folks
Young Star.